Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'll be letting you know how exactly you can access the source code. Now previously, I used to use the platform called as Droplink to host all my source code. But right now, I'm delighted to let you know that Chronix is officially having our own website where we are hosting all our source code so that you will be able to access the source code by just a click of few button. Not just this, we are also bringing up features where you can save the source code and we are also mailing you the source code. Much more detail about this I'll be letting you know in the main part of the video. So without wasting more time, let's get straight into the video.
So guys, right now I am at my channel Chronix right here. So we're gonna access one of the source code of the video. For now, we're gonna use the source code of create a chatbot with the help of chatgpt. Now, before we move into the main part of the video, I would like to let you know that in the beginning of the video, I told you that we're gonna send you the mail of the source code where you will be able to access it. Now, how is this gonna work, right? That's the question right here. Well, we have built or we have integrated an AI model which will accept your mail ID and will automatically send you the mail of the whole source code which you will be able to access it. Now, I will show you that how exactly this is going to work in the main part of the video. In a practical way, you will be able to understand it in a much better manner. So for now, let's go and click on the video of creating the chatbot with the help of ChatGPT, and we'll go to the description to know it much better. Let me pause the video right here and get to the description. Once you reach the description, you'll find a text right here called as source code of today's video, create a chatbot with the help of ChatGPT, and you will find a link right here. So if you click on this link, you will reach to the platform, or you will reach the official platform of Chronix. So this is the official page of our official site of Chronix right here, and is having the page of creating a chatbot with the help of ChatGPT. So if I have to give a glimpse of our platform, I'll just click right here and give you a small glimpse of our site right here. So this is our site right here, and we are bringing up many features that we are looking forward to let you know in the upcoming videos. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want me to make a separate video on this, on letting you know guys like what we are going to bring in our site, what exactly we are looking forward to, what are the features, tools, resources that we are going to bring up with, what are the things that you guys should look forward to, and I will definitely make a video on that too. Now let's get back to the video on how to access the source code. So you'll land on this page and you'll find a button right here called as get access. So you need to click on that button where you will reach the training model or the model of the AI, where the AI will be asking you your mail ID. It's basically an automation mail ID or automation integrating where all your mail ID is accepted from the AI and will automatically send you the email to you. So you need to just add your name and email address right here. Now, one question that will be arising to all the people who are watching this video, that is, why exactly do we need this feature? Why do we need an AI that needs to send us a mail of the whole source code? Well, it's an interesting question, and I would like to give a simple example for this. Now, let's assume that you are creating the chatbot with the help of ChatGPT by watching my video, and you wanted my source code. You came to the description, you clicked on the link, and you reached the page and you accessed the source code. Now, let us assume that you by mistakenly you close the tab. Okay, now you need to again get back to YouTube, you need to get back to my channel, my video, and then the description, and then the whole page, and then get the source code. Again, it's a lot of things that you need to do and then get the source code, right? Now, to solve this problem and to also solve a major problem, that is to download and save it, we bought this feature where the AI will be sending you the mail where you will get the source code, you can download it, and you can also save it. Now, I'll be showing you that how exactly it's going to work. So let me put a test email right here and a test name. Okay, so right now I've added the name and a test email right here. For now, I'll just put a test email that is going to give me the source code. Means I already have this email which I use it for basically showing you all the examples of it works. But I would recommend you guys to put your specific email which you want the source code to come to, like your mail ID, so that it will land into your main mail ID to get the source code. So you can click on this get code for free right here, and it's completely for free. We are not charging for it. So once you click on that, you will land to the page of the whole source code. So here you have the whole source code of the ChatGPT, that the chatbot of ChatGPT right here. So you can copy this. You're also having the option of downloading it. You also have the option to print, and you also have the option to save it in your drive too. Now let's assume that I want to check it in my mail ID, that I've received the mail ID or not. Okay, let's go right there too. I've kept my test mail right here, and sometimes what happens is this mail lands into the promotion section, sometimes it lands into the primary section, sometimes it kind of comes to the spam section too. It's a rare chances that happens, but if you don't receive it, just check it in the spam section and you will be able to get it. Yep, there you go. So we have the whole mail right here that says here's your source code for create a chat bot with the help of ChatGPT. Click the button to access the source code, and you have a button right here. You can click on that. Once you click on that, you will land into the page where you will be able to access the full source code. Again, download, print, and you have the other option too. The interesting thing about why we chose to send it to your mail ID is you get this option to save it too. That's the interesting thing. So you can click on the star button and it will be saved in your mail ID. So the next time you need not come back to the YouTube, to my video, and then the description, and then go to the page and then get the source code. Rather, you'll get it to your mail ID directly right here itself. That's much more safe and easier option, right? So this is how you can access the source code. You can access the source code for many other videos that we are having too. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it. Until then, happy coding, stay tuned, and peace out, guys. Bye.